Holy shit. Stream started. My bad. Wrong screen. Yo, midway stream, we're gonna have to dip to eat my eggs. Cause I thought I boiled them this morning. I thought I had time, but I didn't have time to eat them. So. Alright. We are here. We have arrived. You know what's on them? My heart monitor's not on. Let me get that. Why does this camera look weird today? Hello. Mic check. 1, 2, 3. Yes, sir. Up, Andre.
Yo. Yes, sir.
Oh, Jamal, up, Lock, up, Samurai FX, SP, Stefano, what's up? Okay, heart rate monitor, that's what I need. Okay, so it's connecting, and it's connecting. And it's connecting. Yeah, have money, guys. We got Blackgate here, Andre.
Yes, sir.
I'm pretty sure I can do it at 9:30. I'm pretty sure, but why is my heart rate connecting? What's up?
I said something changes. Let me know. I got like a kind of a crazy day, but
okay,
we'll get it in.
Okay.
Get it in.
I'll try to make sure it doesn't change then. Okay, wait, where's his heart rate monitor at? Why aren't you working? Beats per minute. Do I gotta turn it on? Okay, connected. While that connects, I'll just talk to chat for a bit. What are you guys talking about? Thanks for what you do, you the man. Thanks for being here today. Shifty, what up? Mr. Gold buy 1834 rather. LOL, looks like gold about to break support. Okay, so before I get into gold and GJ, actually, I'm gonna get into it right now, real quick, before I get into anything else. Okay, so that's. Oh, by the way, this is Friday's trade. Look at that amazing trade Friday. Okay. Aside from that, today we have no news. A little minor news here and there, but nothing too crazy. Next news at 2 p.m. So we should be clean throughout the session here. Gold, let's start with gold actually, because people talking about gold right now. So going to weekly is bullish. Okay, so gold is bullish for the weekly. I do expect this week to tap 1856, and if that breaks, then we may see 18 or 1901, but I doubt 19 will get tapped this week. My next target is gonna be 1856, because looking left, that's the next clearest traffic you have for price to drive up towards. All right, because we did break above this range last week, so now we're in this range. Price should come up to fill the range this week, so we're bullish for the week. And now this is the daily time frame. I think daily is also bullish as well. Daily closed bullish on Friday. It closed above that range there, above this range. So today we should be able to pop up towards the next resistance, which is up here to fill that wick, which is at 1855 ish, around that range. So I mean, I'm looking for buys obviously. How we're gonna get there? Well, how we're gonna get there is we must break above this resistance here. We need a closure above. Once you get that closure above, I believe we are, yeah. Oh yeah, even a 15-minute closure above in this case would be valid here. Or sorry, my bad. I mean a 30-minute time frame closure above. So I'm waiting for a 30-minute closure above or a 1 hour closure above, just because the 30 and 1 hour has never closed above the range before. I mean the 15 did close above here at I want to say 6:30, but am I tripping? Oh wait, it did close above. I'm tripping. 30-minute did close above as well too. So I believe once it kind of flips bullish here, it should continue up towards the next resistance here. And the next resistance you have is gonna be, I would say, well, that's clean traffic, until 1853. So this is a 50 pip range going up once it kind of flips bullish here. So I may look for bias here once we actually flip to continue up here. GJ on the other hand, GJ on a weekly is bullish as well. Wow, we can't tap the target last night. I drew this kind of well last night. I'm saying, okay, that's the weekly target. We should tap on 153 this week, but I guess Asian London pushed it up for us. So daytime is bullish as well. Everything was kind of bullish. So I mean, I'm not sure we're maybe gonna move on GJ today, just because we pushed so much already towards that daily resistance and the weekly resistance. But we have potential. I mean, if this breaks here today, I'm looking at, I don't know, 153.582. That's the next resistance you have. I want to see if we close above it in the daily time frame before I determine more buys. But overall, that's what I'm looking at here. So if I'm looking for buys today, let's see. Yeah, that's a nice range that you're in. I want to say this is your resistance here. I want to say this is your support here, and this is the range that we're in. Oh. All right, it's not bad. It's not too shabby. Price is bullish today, came up, created a high, came down, created support. This is like similar to what we're waiting for on Friday. Remember, on gold at the end of the day, we closed bullish at support to continue up to retest the highs. So I think once you get a closure above, we should continue up. Thing is, the next resistance is, wait, they go flip yet? Okay, no, not yet. The next resistance is going to be, what's this over here? Oof, I didn't see this.
He's gonna wait till you were done and let you know I saw that same thing.
I did not see that. Yeah, probably gonna wait for buys above here then. Yeah, you can't do anything about that. Yeah, which leads us to, okay, I'm gonna delete this. That would then lead us towards the 50-minute time for closure is fine then. Okay, now we need, where's next traffic though? That's the real question here. Okay, beat fire. You guys hear the music? Is it good on Zoom in?
Fuego.
Okay. Hello, sir. Oh, I got no data. Okay.
Yeah, I had to go to the 4 hour. I couldn't even see it on the 1 hour.
You can't see on 30?
Nah.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
How far is this? Okay. I mean, I'm guessing you're looking at, oof, 153.500 then. Okay, that's not bad. I mean, that's still a 20 pip range, 25 pip range going up if you were to break that resistance there. Or price continue up. It's not bad. Yeah, 15. It's pretty bad, but it looks chalk to it, I'm not gonna lie. After the move we moved last night, I mean, unless we come down to break the support and make a steeper support down here, then until then, might be a bit chalk for buys. But however, gold looks clean. That's what I'm interested in here today. So I believe once gold flips bullish here, we should continue up, or we might get the 15-minute stagger play if we don't flip bullish in time. So okay, pasa, what's up? Trades taken are still up. Oh yeah, that was on Friday. Okay, you're right. Trades taken. Dude. Today's a music day. I already played music in the morning, so I mean, might as well pay for the whole day now, you know.
Yes, sir.
I already played music for the morning. This stream's getting demonetized already, so I lost out on like $10 today, guys. Thanks to you guys, but it's all right. How you guys feel? You guys stole $10 from me. Yo, keep it to the stream ended. I changed that. My bad. Donald's pulled with fresh white tea. I have like 50 of these white teas, man. They're just regular Hanes teas. I gotta get more though. Alright, isn't working because Don's a robot. I don't know why. Oh, there it is. It's working now. Just when you said it. 83 beats per minute. I actually don't really like this thing, to be honest with you. You guys always bring it up. I forget it's there. More we have times for Dogecoin. Did they drop or something? Or Dogecoin do? Doge USD, Dogecoin, nothing. What did Dogecoin do? If anything, this seems about like actually daily close bearish. Oof, we might come down towards 41 cents again today.
Look at it, Saturday it dropped like 50%. No, actually from 75 down to what, 40 something, 50.
Well, it's just not like, you know, it's a normal trend, you know. Price pushes up, resistance, 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 right? It's part of what we see every day. This is what people freak out on though. I mean, even if it does come down here to test the support, if it breaks that, then that's when you'll probably see for a further downtrend coming down to fill this range. But if as long as it respects that, it should continue to push up. And I feel like people will be worried once this happens. So people will be like, "Oh my God, Doge is selling." Da, da, da. You see it on social media all day, right? But because it'll be at 24 cents later, and if that breaks, then you see Ciao Bella. It's come down all the way down to this. But overall, it's still bullish. I think like it's not gonna. I mean, I don't know. I'm not really in Doge. Oh, gold slipping here. You might get a 15-minute start play. With the 1 hour anticipating the price to push up here, with the 4 hour candle breaking the highs, with the day candle filling that wick, I think these are some nice buys here, guys. Once you break this highs here, might be an early entry for us today. Oh my God, guys! This whole weekend I've been working on Discord, and holy shit, there's a lot of people in there already. Well, not a lot. There's like a good 150 or something right now already, and this is without the community. This is just like all the paid members, and we're not even done getting through paid members. That there's like a shit ton that's missing. Okay, the bomb working on his candle. Andre, how do you feel about these gold buys? Sorry, place.
Yeah, we need a bottom wick, and then stops would be like 15 pips, even if it pushed all the way down, which is not bad, honestly. Times it. It's the last 15 minute of the hourly as well.
Yes.
Probably gonna wait for this hourly to close, just to be honest. Still, I know I normally try and stay out of any trade before like 7:30, 8 a.m. But I mean, I've taken them before, so have you. I've seen it. It's kind of more rare than anything, but I think we need some more volume to really get the push we want.
I'm looking to really anticipate buys there.
You gonna take these buys on the flip?
Yeah. The break of the current kind of like the previous kind of high too. Like, so it's like not the starter play. Well, it is starter play, but it's like a pip above, just because there's that candle right there. Might as well put it above there too for Ciao Bella.
Yeah, that makes sense. You're gonna have buy stops in or market execute?
Buy stops. I didn't place them yet though. I'm about to place them right now. Stops gonna be a current count lows, which is right now looking like it's gonna be around 12. Yeah, 12 pip gold stop loss.
That's not bad at all.
Yeah. I really anticipate this 1 hour to close above. 4 hours on re-break the highs. Shit, Ciao Bella. Shot time. What'd you guys do this weekend, guys? Chat? How you guys doing? I think I didn't talk to you yesterday. I gotta talk to my chat. How are you guys doing today? Aside from buying gold and selling GJ, or buying GJ, how'd you guys do? How's your morning? Did you eat yet? You guys eat yet? You guys fill your stomach yet? Make sure to eat, because you don't want to be You got getting your 5 meals within a day. Hey, I had 5 meals yesterday.
Okay.
I did arm day too, Andre.
All right.
Whatever happens, it's happening, I guess. In a good way.
You guys are about to see Dom blow up, turn into like a Nick Merckx with a big old thick neck.
He doesn't have a neck. He doesn't have a neck. They call him Neck Merckx.
The boy has a thick ass neck.
He doesn't have a neck, bro. That guy's like full swole.
He's young. I think I'm gonna stay out of these buys and wait for this hourly to close. 12 minutes.
I didn't place my buy stops down, but I'm placing right now actually. I might delete buy stops, however, if we don't really make a move within the next, like, I'll say 4 minutes or so before this count closes here, because I'm just gonna wait for the kind of close. Matter of fact, I mean, if you come down and break previous count lows again, I'm just gonna delete buy stops, or not even enter buy stops. Where we put your guys? Do you guys know where I'm putting buy stop? You guys know where? Start to play. What is this? Well, I only set buy stops for one area and for one reason only, and that's the start play. If it's not the start play, I'm not placing buy stops. But I'm not gonna place them no more. I'm actually gonna delete them because this count is coming down and break the current count low again. Therefore, we should get to come down to create a steeper low. And I'm just gonna wait for the 15-minute candle to close now because I need a closure above at this given point. All right. I need more moderators, guys. But I'm not gonna, just pick them from the chat. Yeah, you guys gotta show me that you guys want the mods. So I've been seeing a lot of people here that have been showing up every day. Yeah, I saw what Tyre did. He set a good example of how to be a good moderator. Like even before he was a moderator, like he was in the chat, chatting, helping people out, and that's what I'm looking for our new moderators. So okay, so someone sent a chart earlier and I missed it. Oh, that's a nice chart here. What'd you get in that? Fake out back into the range, 15-minute wait for closure as there was no bond wicks. Wait for a bond wick to be made before entering on the flip. 3 break even and the break even clean traffic candle. Oh, that was like 5 pips. Nice. Oh, I like how you measured that too. That's kind of neat. Secured 70% at 10 pips. Sleeve runs to TP. Nice. This is a perfect chart here, guys. Look at this. Weekly close above resistance, expecting the range to be filled with our weekly target of 155, 525. Bullish. Broke previous highs. Has no bond wick. Soka flip. Bullish. 4 broke previous highs. Printed 3 bullish counts in a row. Bullish. Bullish market structure. Bullish. That's a perfect chart. That's a lot of bullish. That's a lot of bullish in that chart. Damn. Oh, we have 8 minutes left for our closure here, guys. I'm gonna wait. I hope this count closes Doge so that we can close bearish on 30-minute above that range and bullish on the 1 hour above that range, so we can continue up with the starter play. That'd be perfect. Like right here would be perfect where we close to the T. Not around. Oh, we might just get the starter play here. Guys, I don't have buy stops anymore. By the way, I do not have buy stops. If it gets activated here, it gets activated here. But I'm gonna wait. Until this count closes here. Worst case, you may just get buys in that as we close above the range bullish. To be honest with you. Like using the 15-minute stops, like 16 pips for like a 30 pip target. That's the worst case scenario. Can I send the starter play again? There we go. There's some, I think the night bot sent it. Do you trade US30 or NAS? I used to trade US30. I don't trade it anymore. Why you remove the buy stops? Because I might as well wait for the candle to close at this given point. We have 7 minutes left in this closure. We have a heartbeat monitor because people want to see my emotions during a trade. That's why I have it up. The stream wants to see it. Okay. Bastards would have been activated right here if we were in, but I am not in, guys. We have 6 minutes left for a closure here. Let's see how we close. We would have been activated here in profit at this given point. Questions for Don? Let's see. Oh, the starter play is pushed in there, guys. That would this right now would be a break-even trade probably for me if I was in it, and I would anticipate price to drive up towards the next TP here. But that would have been a break-even trade right there if you guys got activated or if you guys are in. Okay. Gold. Range 1. I'm not looking for buys unless we have a decent 30-minute closure at resistance. I think we got that closure already, right?
At support, set of resistance. It's a little typo.
Okay. Not looking for sells in this range. If anything, if you get a bearish closure in range 2, I'll look for sells. Range 2 is down here, right?
This is range 2 right here.
2, 1, 2, 3. Oh, we're looking for range 2 sells too. Okay.
No. Not looking for sells in this range. If anything, a bearish closure in range 2. I'll wait for the fake out back in range 1 for buys.
Okay, I didn't read that. Okay, that's a good idea. That's a good idea. Yep. So we fake out like this, and then we come back up. Boop, boop, boop. That'd be pretty clean. Range 3 looking for clean buys with 1 hour closure. Okay, perfect. Me too. And in range 4 looking for sells in range 4. Yes. Which is technically range 3. Yep. 8:30 coming down. Yeah, that's fine. Perfect. Question for Don. GA looks completely chalked at this moment with no bond wick on a daily, and weekly we stay out. Usually I wouldn't like yesterday. It feels last night. I wouldn't really. The fact that we don't have a bond wick wouldn't really bother me. But since we came out to tap that weekly resistance down and a day resistance, it now kind of like it doesn't really make sense anymore. We need our closures on the daily and weekly. So yeah, now it'll bother me probably, which would make me probably stay out. I'll stay out buys probably. Let's see though. Would you take sells below 8:30 on gold, or would you stay out the sells completely? Below there, right? I'll probably take sells below there. Yeah. I doubt we're gonna get that today. But yeah, those sells would be nice. Ooh, 3 minutes left for a closure.
Part of the reason that I was trying to wait for this hourly to close on gold is this next this 15 minutes about to close, right? So is this hourly, and then the next hourly low is all the way at like 1835, which is quite a ways down. So this pullback on this new hourly candle could be potentially like 40 pips before it finds its low and then flips to push back up.
If it closes like this or comes back like this to retest 1838 and flips bullish again, we can use the current candle stops instead.
Yeah,
like this. This is the next 1 hour candle, guys. I'm just gonna clip it for now. Say hi to Instagram, everyone. Hi, Instagram. All right, this will be a clip for later. We're gonna pop up, fill the range, and it's gonna be a nice clip. Are you in? No, I deleted my buy stops. Told you guys. If I was in, my heart rate would be at 130 right now, probably, for the entry. You guys know I'm in. And then it'll drop down while I'm in the trade into like 90s and 80s. which is weird.
I think your entry would have been potentially hittier.
I think it got hit already, right? Yeah, I would probably got stopped out with spreads at break even.
Yeah, yeah.
So I'm in the same boat. An extra trade. Hi, Don. There's no way to join a Zoom call. You gotta be enrolled into the course so that every morning you get the Zoom call invites and you can join and chat and be on your side with us. But that's the only way to get in. It's in the no, my bad, not Slack group, Discord. Not Slack, Discord, guys. This channel is fire, guys. It's amazing so far. Look at it. Just look at it. Wow. We got like 100 something people in here already. Look at this. Amazing. Look at the signal channel. Read first, blah blah blah. Signals, blah blah blah. We haven't started signals yet in this channel until everyone's in from Telegram. But moderate channels too. This is what you guys want to be in, right? Moderate channels, but unfortunately it's only like 6 of you guys. Top quality mods for a top quality stream. Oh, where's the Discord link? Once you purchase the course, you get a link from me. This count's pushing up. Please, whatever you do, have a topic here. Might just blast off, guys.
Who wrote that?
It was me. I saw you locked in. Like, are you in a trade?
Nah. I'm just unlocking my phone, and so when you don't have magic buttons or anything like that, you just use your phone and get ready and make sure you're on point, and it works out well.
Look at this, Andre. Can't close above the range. We have no top wick. We have no top wick. If we can create a steeper wick here, flip. We use that as our stops. Right now we're looking at, oh man, a 19 pip stop. It's not bad. It's not bad on 30-minute time frame.
I think we just
want a steeper wick. I think this is fine if you flip now. Perfect. So guys, what I'm looking at here is I'm looking to see if once we flip bullish, right? Because it kind of has no top wick, so I do expect it to flip bullish. Once we flip bullish, I believe I'm gonna be unbiased going up to fill this range here. Stops are gonna be the current candle low or previous candle low. I haven't decided yet. Depends on how big this current candle low is. I'm thinking of using a previous candle low though.
How do you feel if we break 15-minute lows?
Oh no, I wouldn't get in. Oh no, that's different. Is that different from a 15? I mean, from a 30? It is by 30, a little bit.
Yeah, like 2 pips. 30's like 18 pips.
If it breaks the 15 of lows but respects 30, I'll still be in 30s with a 30-minute time frame. Yeah.
Now they always say congratulations.
How much is the course? Found USD right now. You can there's a link again. Tyler with another mod. Clean. Killing up the moderator. Oh, where's Disco link? Oh no, yeah, I said already. I'm looking to buy a new PC, guys. Might be
Okay.
I think it's gonna be around I don't know if I'm getting a 3090 though. 3090 is, I don't know if I can find one. Might just get a 2080. PCs be around like 2-3K, 4K maybe.
Yeah, bro, I got a 4050 as well, you know.
What the fuck?
I got a 4050. It's fully colored.
RGB. RGB
Yeah,
lights.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, all over.
Nice.
It's got Premiere Auto written in it as well.
Oh shit.
Okay.
On the CPU, nice.
Yeah, CPU. My CPU is upgraded though.
Okay. Yeah, what's your CPU?
It's a 2020. I'm just trolling, guys. I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about.
Yeah. Go back to weights, you know.
This boy's got a MacBook Pro. That's all I got.
Yeah, a piece of metal, bro.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. This is a nice bond weight keep being created here. Use a flip. The stops is not bad. 10 pip stops now on this current candle. Alright, so what chart was I looking at? Okay, so trading is blessing. Keep pushing. It's all worth it. I love that. Yes, nice motivational words for the chat. Targeting the A zone, looking to add more positions and trail stops after next pullback. Entering at the 4-hour indecision zone. Continuing with the main trend. Nice.
What time frame is that? 240.
That's the 4-hour time frame.
Yeah,
240 is 4-hour time frame. Don't I have 2 chart questions and would appreciate it? I got you. Wait for this resistance to break. Okay, cool. 2 new high made. Okay. Support created below resistance line. Okay. High shot trade setup when support is formed below the broken resistance. Technically, the support should form above. Yes, but if it breaks below and closes below, it indicates that we are breaking back into this range here. Therefore, this is a fake out. If we were to break back in, so I'll wait for it to break back in the range, and I'll look for my bias going up. So it's either here is your entry, or it's here to here is your entry. Once you actually close back in the range. Yeah, just more of a fake out right here. Oh, we might flip here, guys. We might flip here. I flip here.
Feel the same, too much pleasure is pain. My girl spites me in vain. All I do is complain. She needs something to change. Need to take off the ass. So fuck it all
tonight.
And don't tell me to shut up when you know you're talking.
Okay, I'm gonna send this thing for the first time. Give me a second, guys. Using this. Sorry. Was helping out a client, in other words, a member, incoming member. Yeah, guys, kind of flips bullish here. I'm looking to take my positions here. My set buy stops right here at how big is this wick that kind of opening? That's 1-2 pip difference. Yeah, guys, set my buy stops to 1840.6 or 268 here. Once you break that high, might as well. And TP is gonna be up here for 1843 because we got a closure above. All right, 1 hour closed above 2. You can choose as a retest here. So once you actually flip bullish, it indicates that this is your new low for price to continue up to make a new high, and that new high is clean traffic, especially on the 4-hour time frame. Ciao Bella, clean traffic. Oh, we just gotta flip bullish. That's the thing. We just gotta flip. Should I mark it up as buy stop here? There you go.
On you that look to get in on the next candle opening.
I have a buy stop there because once this candle flips, is also the 1 hour flip with the 30-minute flip with the 15 flip. Because if this candle closes like this, then it'll probably be a starter play for us on a 15-minute time frame, which is the same as the candle flipping bullish on a 30 and 1 hour. Is that what you asked me? You asked me if I'm getting on the next candle?
Yeah, I'm looking to, well, it's formed that retest. I'm just looking at the 5 minutes now.
Oh, it's Sharif.
Yeah.
Sharif,
yeah.
I thought you would be in right now on the retest.
I'm actually at work as well, and yeah, I was just, got a bit delayed, but I'm still looking. Yeah, I might take that sort of place.
Nice, yeah.
It's a 5-minute celery play at the same time as breaking the highs.
I know Andre's going full send in this one, guys. Not full send, but I know you're getting on this one, right? This is your trade.
Yeah, looks good.
Definitely your trade.
Looks good. I wish it was like 8 a.m. though.
Let's see. We've been taking like late trades recently, so.
Yeah. But look at that hourly though. That hourly closure is like
Perfect.
Yeah.
I gotta stand up, right, guys? There's no way.
That's a good point.
My blood's in flow. All right. How big are stops and previous count lows? Yeah, I'm using previous count lows for now. 1838.129. Ooh, could we flip her, guys? What are you drinking, bro? Nothing. I should drink pre-market fuel, shouldn't I? It's a leg day today. I was thinking like in a bit, but shit, it's too early. I also gotta eat my eggs too. Oof. We are in, guys. Got in a position here. Buy stops got activated here. TP is up here for around 30 pips, and stop loss is gonna be first count low for 21 pips. All right, so we have buy stops activated here and profit slightly. Let's see what happens here. The trade should be fine.
Looks like a good trade.
Yeah.
I'm gonna wait these 3 minutes, this 15 to close.
Everyone say hi to Instagram chat. That'll be a clip later. Ooh, pushing up here. I drink tomato juice. You get sprayed by a skunk. What happened? Wait, you know, aren't you supposed to like shower in it and not drink it, right? I never got sprayed by a skunk. Heart pumping? No, I'm just, you know, it's just doing its thing, you know. This is just living. On and off though.
Good morning, guys. How are you?
What up, Stefano? How you doing today?
Fine. And you? What's up? Trading gold.
Yep, me too. I'm in a
waiting.
position.
Yeah, I'm waiting for GJ.
Looking for buys?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is clean.
This 15-minute closes kind of as is right now. Will you move stops to 1838? that candle low?
Potentially, yeah, potentially.
If we come down to break that low, it's gonna come further down.
What do we save? 7 pips? Yeah, potentially. Monthly starter play on GJ? Really? It is a monthly starter play. Oh yeah, you're right. Yeah, we should say Chow Bell this month. I think that's the target for the month, right? I mentioned how I think last week I said how we closed above this range here. This week we should, or this month we should be able to pop up towards 155. That's clean traffic. Very clean. Let's go, Dan. Nice. You know, Friday trade that I took, the reason why I looked like it was like in and out trade was because those 10 pips looked like a little, it was literally 1 pip. There was so much volume within candles that looked like a 1 pip. It was 10. It was like 15 pips, not even. 12, 15 pips. Who got the Mount Flowers this weekend? Don't lie if you didn't. Whoa, why my heart rate go down to 49? Hold on, that's not normal. I think the thing is messed up. My heart's definitely not being 49. There, why is it show 50? Oh, because I adjusted it, that's why. Okay. Because I'm fine. You dying? Nah, bro. It's definitely not for real. I can feel my heart beating a lot higher. There's no way. Ooh, it's kind of flipping bearish here. Did we close here? 15 close last minute. Oof.
The last 3 seconds the candle flipped.
We closed bearish, but still above the range here. Also above this range here. I will probably look to move my stops up though to the current low. Or sorry, what I might do is I actually might reduce my stops here. Reduce my positions once you break the lows, but I'm still gonna keep the 30-minute lows as my stops in this situation. What do we go up by? How many pips do we go up by? Ooh, like 5.
GJ close without no top wick.
Jesus takes take off here.
Yeah, 15 minutes, so I'm waiting for 30 now.
Why is my heart beat at 52? I think it's in like the 90s right now, or 80s. How you got manage risk on? So I was looking to, as long as we closed above like 1839.127, my position is still open here. It's still valid. If this candle here were to close bearish, however, into that range, back into the range, then that's when I'll probably look to reduce my positions and close probably my positions if anything. But since you close respecting that support and 30-minute 1 hour still open here, I do expect this kind of flip eventually. Still, as it's still respecting the 30-minute lows and 1 hour lows to continue up towards the next resistance. But yeah. But what we'll probably need now, if you hasn't entered yet, you guys probably wait for this candle to break the highs and then enter your positions for a buy stop going up. Because that's the starting play on the 15-minute time frame. Alright. See if we can get that break. Once you break that, it should say Ciao Bella. Okay, why isn't my heart rate working?
Michael. Do you want people to call you Poopy FX? Is that real?
What the fuck is Poopy?
I don't know if I can do that. Can I call you Michael? Is that all right? I can't hear you. I think you're muted. Still can't hear you. Nope. Still nothing.
Andre, so you never got in these positions? I mean, you're waiting for the 15, right?
Yeah. I mean, honestly, what I could see happening potentially now is this next 15 minute pushing down, closing, maybe respecting that 1838.88, and then a bullish candle at support right there. That would be more ideal for price to come up and retest the highs and then potentially break past 1840. Honestly, part of the thing that helped me out was the time. I've just been like the past 2 months, I have not taken a trade before like 7:30 a.m.
Wait, hold on, guys. I'm gonna close 50% of my positions here, as we broke the previous 50-minute lows, but not full positions. So go on.
No. That was a good idea. That was That was basically it.
All right. Yeah. Guys, I'm gonna close 50% of my positions here because I wasn't expecting this kind of really come down and break the previous 50-minute lows. If it were to drive up, but it's still respecting 30-minute lows, therefore, which is our original stop loss. So I'm still in the trade right now, but I'm looking to add more positions if price were to come up later and break the current candle high again for a 15-minute start play. But until then, there's no extra positions added. Wow, GG came on the top target. Broke above that range.
I couldn't.
Gold was not doing that though. I already thought this would be one of those clean trades that just pop up.
Your full stops get hit, or you like a pip away?
I closed half. My stops didn't get hit yet. It's about to get hit though. It's about to get hit. Oh, it's starting to reject. So guys, instead of having a 5 lie open now, I got a 2.5 lie open on this trade here. Stops are about to get hit here though. We're about to break the lows. And got stopped out, guys. Got stopped out, guys, of this position here. So I think we closed half of the positions at negative like 13 pips, and then I got hit fully on negative 20 pips in that trade there. So there's no bias here yet, at least. I think bias to be bad now is what you need is you probably need for us to really it really depends on how this hourly candle closed, honestly, because if this hourly candle were closed here in 38 minutes below the range here, back into the range, then we'll probably come down back into the range to fill it, because this is gonna be a fake out. But I'm still bullish for a day. But yeah, like Andre said, what we need for buyers now is you need either one, this to happen, something like this, to continue up to retest the highs, or two, I mean, that's it. I think that's the only scenario we're looking for right now. So, but until then, there's no positions. Trades taken. Gold buys negative 20 pips. 13. That's my first trade of the week too, or of the day. Same thing. Will you take a look at my? No, I didn't take. I saw GJ buys, but I actually came out at 7:30, and I was like, okay, I'm looking for buys above that range. But then I looked away, and because I was doing something, and then what ended up happening was I missed the push. So I'm like, well, I might as well just wait till tomorrow now. I think it was from here. It's the push. It was 36 pips. I'm like, whatever. I called it a day. And this happened during London. Obviously, wasn't awake for that. So yeah, I missed the whole entire GJ.
Yeah, and I was trying to take the buy, no top wick, and then no bottom wick on the next candle on the 50 minutes. So it was impossible.
GJ did what we were waiting for on gold. Let's see. We might get a second opportunity later, guys. Look at my second try. I got you. I got you. It's not working. Oh no, it is. That's on my end. One new low being created. Resistance created at first broken support, but price is back into range. Would you take a sell to test the lows, or consider this is a fake out? Oh, that's a nice counter drawing right there. Wasn't this last night? If I mean, I was bullish for the week. I don't think I would have taken sells. Yeah. No, I wouldn't take sells in this situation. No. You talking about if we were to break back into the range like this, coming down to full range like this? I don't think I would take the sells. No. I'll probably look for buys only in this situation or that day.
Oh, good morning.
What up, Carlo? Carlo, you take that trade with me?
Yeah, I sent you chart, but I got out in the profit because you'll see it on the chart. Morning, brothers. Morning.
What's this? Can close above, buys for day bullish, enter the start play buys, half positions. 3, enter the second half of my positions as the current candle flip bullish and move my stops to low to 15. Close first position at fall and move stop loss to break even on the second position. The second position stopped at break even. Damn, so 2 positions.
Yeah.
So which end up with break even?
No, I got the first one, I got 11 pips, 12 pips, and the second one break even. Because I entered just half of my position. And then I entered the second half after the candles was bullish. But
yeah.
I really like that second entry, man. It was perfect. Like 1 hour closed above, made the bottom wick, had no top wick. Like I'd take that trade any day. But it only gave you what? 5 pips? 5
with spreads, maybe, yeah. 5-6 pips.
GJ2 it didn't have like a bottom wick. The 15-minute, the current 15-minute candle. But a 30-minute is closing in 3 minutes, so could also be a trade. But the stops are a bit big for GJ. Right now it would be like 25 pips.
I think gold may move later on. Like what time is it? 7:30. So maybe at 9 or not 9, 8 a.m. potentially. It honestly just depends on how we close there on this 15 or the next 15 at least, a 4 to 5 15 candle. I wasn't here, but took GJ starter place on 30 minute on this current 30. Apologies if you have already discussed it. Curious why you didn't take it or why you looked at gold instead. Because GJ tapped my daily resistance already, my daily target here last night, and my weekly target as well. So I wanted a closure on a day today before I look for more positions today. But I mean, by the looks of it, looks like we are gonna pop above and continue up towards the next resistance, which is gonna be, I mean, you're looking at 153.590, and if that breaks, then tomorrow like 155.588 It really depends on how we close today. I think 30-minute start plays were not bad for GJ. Whoever stops 13 pips, TP was like 16 pips. Yeah, but that wasn't bad. Gold looked a lot cleaner though in this situation. Let's look at the 4-hour time frame. Did you trade your own money or your fund company? My own money. So that trade, guys, the result of that trade was, let's see, what was the loss? Around a $1,000 loss on a 5 lot, so around 20 pips. I think stops for like 22 pips or something like that. Yeah. Which is the same risk I would usually have on GJ. So on GJ, the reason why I pop 5s on gold is because stops on gold are usually like double the size of GJ on average. So my stops on GJ would be usually 10 pips on 10 lot trade. Obviously that's $1,000. That'll be the same as a 20 pip stops for gold with the 5 lot. So same risk. We'll push up later. You have to submit a chart, my friend.
Exactly what I said.
My thoughts on G started play trade. Andre, I gotta get some eggs, bro. I'm starving. If you want to take over. Carlo used to take over the streams, but then lately Carlo has been MIA, so.
Mike, we can hear you.
I heard you I'm about to eat, that's why I disappear. I'll join back when I'm finished.
Yeah.
I'll be like,
Hey,
no, I'll eat here. I gotta get the food though.
I want to hear Carlo.
No worries, brother. No pressure. Good morning.
Oh, I'm not worried about the pressure.
He's used to it.
I'm
I
talking
used
about
to
you
draw
just
like SpongeBob on the. I swear, bro.
Okay.
Bullish buys for a day, not looking for sells, but I'm aware that the daily and the weekly both have formed a bundle wick. Didn't take the GJ starter play buys as the current 30-minute candle broke the previous candle lows before continuing up. This makes the starter play invalid in my opinion. Andre, come in, Carlo. I can't read this, man. Would you consider the starter play invalid as because the previous candle low is broken? No, I think it's still invalid because like so. The starter play, whenever we close bear sharp resistance like that, it indicates that okay, we're closing bear sharp resistance, we should continue down to fill the range, right? So even if this kind of were to come down and break the lows, nothing kind of happens because that's technically what's supposed to happen. It's if we actually come out to break the highs, that's when the starter place is valid, obviously, for price to drive up after. So the low can be anywhere. It can be down here, down here, down here. Obviously, as long as it's smarter than your TP, it should be a good trade or a fine trade. I just rewatched the loss in the gold. What happened? I thought 15 minutes started playing loss. So what happened was why the buy stop went up buy after the high was broken at 15. We did wait for the highs to break. Oh, it's right here. The buys were right here. It was like a pip away from the buy stop we had originally, I think. Or sorry, it was right here. I'm tripping. It was right. Oh yeah, right here. Yeah, right here. So we wait for the 1 hour candle to close above the range. Once the 1 hour candle closed above the range, create a lower wick. It had no top wick. So we wait for the candle to flip bullish before entering position. Once it flipped bullish, we got like around 5-6 pips. And then obviously the last like, literally like 20 seconds of the, not even 20 seconds, last second of the 15-minute candle, price ended up closing bearish after back in the range. So I'm pretty sure if price would have pushed up an extra pip or two, I would have moved my stops to break even there with spreads. But yeah, that's what happened. You wait for the 1 hour close. The 15 wasn't valid. It was valid, but I deleted my buy stops there just because it was nearing the last like 5 minutes of that candle, so I deleted it. But if I were to get in, I would have hit break even as well. I would have been break even as well if you were to hit, because price came down and broke the lows again before it pushed up at the end. So it looks clean looking back at it right now, but at the time it wasn't as clean as it looks. Obviously it looked like we got 13 pips, but we didn't. You see that bearish kind of resistance? Can you have entered as it broke the high? That's the start play was. That's the start play on the 15. Hey bro, what's up? What's up, Amen? Yo, Andre, I'm gonna leave you to take over for like 5 minutes or so. I'm just gonna get some food.
Get it.
I got 3 eggs waiting for you guys.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna drink pre-market fuel, and then we're gonna vibe up again.
Did you up the eggs? I thought you were having 2 at a time. Now you're doing 3?
No, I was on 3.
Oh, okay. All right.
3 is nothing though. It's just eggs. It goes down my throat. It goes down my throat like water.
I was just gonna say, leave me this 30-minute on gold.
You want 30 or GJ?
Yeah. That's all right.
Is the scaling good? You know what? I can give you remote control. Or should I fuck it here? Just leave it.
No. That's fine. That's fine.
BRB.
Carlos talking shit, everybody, and wants me to start drawing out some candles. So,
Jesus,
we're about to have to do that. I'm just gonna draw what I think is a potential opportunity for us to get these buys back in. I'm still bullish on gold, obviously, right? 1834, around that range is where I have a nice support. So let's say that we do come down to test that low, which we could. That hourly low is still pretty around that area. It's like a 40 pip stop I had talked about. So we come down here, come down here, and then hopefully we look something like this. Bullish confirmation at support. This is where I'd actually enter my buys. Next candle looks something like this. Next candle we get a push up. If you don't answer buys here, and then this would probably be our next buys above this resistance. Carla, what'd you think? Let me know. Was that good enough drawing for you? Or am I still SpongeBob? Good, okay.
Do the moon,
same
my
thing.
friend. Pretty
I don't want to
good
hear it.
drawing. Happy with that.
You're soft as baby poop.
Tutorial passed.
Trying to forecast the market. I'm actually not trying to forecast the market. I'm just looking for the opportunities for me to take a trade, and rather than just looking for a random trade to jump in. If you try that, I think it will help your trading. Come in with a plan, look for the same things every day. Don't just randomly take trades, and it will help your trading a lot. This 15-minute closes above 1838.75 and NY open push higher. What do you think? 1838.75. I'm not going to take anything on gold unless it's above 1840. That's our new resistance that I want to closure above. I'm Steezy V. 730, not trading before. I've been on that wave. for like 2 months, and I really like it. I will say I have taken trades before. I've seen Don take trades before, win trades before. It's tough though, especially when you see nice setups coming. This 30-minute has 21 minutes to close. It's a lot of time. Looks like, oh shit, we're about to have a seller play in the 30-minute. Stops are ginormous. I'm not going to be entering here. Stops are 36 pips. Let's see what the 15-minute closes in 6 minutes here. Stops are going to be around the same height. No trade for me. Guys, I had a weird dream last night that I was playing Warzone with Don. Don did suffer last week on leg day. Leg days are Monday. He's got it today as well. It's about to be popping. Chat, let us know what Don should do during his leg day. I got a couple things in mind, but what else?
Pistol squats.
Pistol squats. Damn, that's advanced. That's advanced. Okay, Carlo's hopping on. Let's hear what do you have to say, Carlo? Tell me.
I like what you drew out.
Okay.
It shows support.
Yeah,
Someone said you're trying to predict the market and stuff. You're not I do the same thing. It's just the easiest way to take a trade. It gives you more confidence. Because if you see what you drew like a minute ago, you'd be like, okay, now I'm going to take the trade. That's all. If it doesn't happen, if it continues bearish, you just don't take a trade because your bias is bullish.
Yeah.
It's very simple, actually.
I think I noticed everyone's been seeing me do that for past couple weeks. I have range 1, 2, 3, 4, and then my ideas in each one of those ranges. And for the most part, I think it's played out pretty well. Just sticking to the plan, map out your ranges, identify what kind of trades you want to take within those ranges, wait for it to happen. If it doesn't happen, then you probably don't take a trade, or you learn for a new setup moving forward.
Gives you more confidence, at least for me, to enter a trade. Because you know what you expect, and if it happens, great, you're going to take the trade. Even if you lose the trade, you'll be fine, this is the setup I want to take. This is what I expected, this is what I waited for.
Yep.
If it doesn't, you just if your bias is bullish and it goes just completely bearish, or if it goes into one of the zones where you're comfortable taking a sell, you'll take a sell, but still you're not trying to predict the move, you're just trying to draw out what you're expecting. What would you like to happen to take a trade?
Yeah. Because what I drew out is the chances of that happening at this point, now that we're pushing back up bullish, are very low. So I'm not saying that's going to happen. That's the thing, is you don't know. Like Carlos said, just have a plan and try and stick to it. That helps a lot.
Because everybody trades. I had a trade on gold now, so I think I'll be done for the day. I think so, because I had 2 positions, but I risk half on each, so I consider it one. Close one in full in profit and the other one at break even. But I don't know, man, you could have different plans. You could have the salary play now in the 30-minute on gold. If you're comfortable taking that buy, you could wait for a 50-minute to close back in the range in 3 minutes and say, okay, this sell was a fake out, that it's going to continue back in the range and take a buy. Or you could just do what you wanted, what you drew out that move. Or you could take buys above here. I mean, it's for everybody to decide for themselves. So just giving them options. What you draw out, that would be a deal trade for me too. Because you're bullish, it makes close back and back in the range, makes a support, and then you have a bullish candle as a confirmation, ideally a 30-minute.
Yeah.
With a top wick, and then that's the trade I take anytime.
Yep. J4 said 1 hour salary, possible too with NY Open. I saw that. The only thing that you run into, looking now this 1 hour may potentially flip. But this 1 hour seller replay, the only thing that would be a little bit tough is that that bottom wick could be pretty big. It's like a 30 pip wick. And then at the top, right, you're gonna add in like another 5-6 pips. You're looking at like 36 pips. For me, that's just too big, but we'll see what happens right here. It's 15 minutes about to close in a minute 50. I'll be interested to see what we do here at this 15-minute, if we can close above 1840.008. Finishing my eggs. Is that Don's like burner account? What is that?
Like even with the close with that 15 back in the range, looks really nice for buy. Or a seller play on the 30-minute, but then the sell stop, what you said, would be like 30 or 40 pips.
I was just
I'd be
about
like, if you really have to take a trade, if you'd be like, you know what, I'm gonna take the 30-minute seller play, I would risk half of my position because the stops are too big.
Yeah, big stops are tough.
Yeah. But that 15-minute close back above the range, and the 1 hour is gonna close above this resistance with a huge wick, which means it respected this resistance now as support. So it should continue up.
Continue bullish.
Yeah. Because the 1 hour is gonna look something like this. I mean, it looks something like this.
Don's on his burner account right now.
What's
Don,
burner?
why aren't you eating eggs in front of us? Everyone wants the ASMR. Maybe ban him.
Oh, we can see his heart rate still though.
Slowly going up. Okay,
Like,
okay.
What you doing, bro? It
is going up.
130. You'd be like, okay, you want to disconnect the next time, brother.
Guys, Don's been wearing his heart rate monitor during the workouts. You get into like 150 beats per minute. All right, 15-minute looks like it's gonna close above. Are we gonna
1 second, hold on.
No. Hey, Gold's pushing hard.
Nah, that would be a nice entry though. Doesn't have a bottom wick, the current 15. But the 15 closed above of that new smaller resistance too. The 15 minute, this 15-minute candle closed above here. So now you would just need a bottom wick to form to continue and flip bullish to continue up.
The stops are too big for me, Carlo. They're
I know. I said just for like stops that are big. Like, I mean, on gold on average, a stop is what, 15 to 20 pips. That would be a great stop, right? So if you like, if anybody would say, you know what, I really like the salary play on the 30-minute, and the stops are like 30 pips, then just enter half of the position. Because at the end, if you trade like you enter 05, and the risk is kind of the same. You would enter half of the position on a 30 pip would be like entering a 15 stop loss with 1 lot. So that's at least how I do it. But I agree that those stops are super big.
I have a tough time entering half risk because then when I hit 10 pips, I'm at half profit, right? So I pop a 2 lot, I hit 10 pips, I'm at $100. It's like tough for me.
Yo, what happened?
Nothing.
What did it go
Same
to?
thing.
Gold broke the highs?
Told everybody
Wow.
to go all in.
Gold rebroke the highs. Stocks are massive though. Wow. Got my pure market feel now, guys. I was watching you guys from the sidelines. It felt good.
I was just about to say, that was you?
Yeah, it feels good being in the chat from there.
Novelty.
Yeah, novelty. It's my nickname, like for gaming stuff.
I like it. I like it.
Novelty FX.
I was looking to ban you.
Really? No, it's me.
No, I wasn't. I knew.
I'll make myself a mod.
Talking about.
You make yourself a mod, yeah.
On his what was it? That NBA Top Shot thing. I remember the names are kind of the same, so I was like, okay, that's done.
I was looking at these buys here on a 15-minute time frame. No top wick on that candle, right? Am I tripping? This gold 15-minute time frame, no top wick on that candle. 30-minute stop pace was clean, but I mean, stops are massive, man. Stops were like 36 pips. I heard you guys talking about those too, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I do think though the extra confirmation is that this on gold, this candle closed below, and now this one is the 15-minute close back in the range.
Fake out.
Of that resistance. Yeah. So this was a fake out, and the 1 hour is going to respect this resistance as support now. But again, the stops are huge. But a setup like this with smaller stops, I think that'd be a good trade.
Yeah. That's some good eggs, right? Had some very good eggs. Feel gassed up now, guys.
Would you have like salt, pepper on them? What'd you do with them?
I just had salt. I was like, that's like my everyday meal. Oatmeal, like 5 raspberries, 5-6 raspberries, and then 3 eggs.
Nice.
That's my meal 1 before 8 a.m. Meal 2 is gonna be right after. Probably like, I don't know what I'm eating. Probably like some type of peanut butter and jelly sandwich or something, or pancakes or whatever. French toast.
Okay. This man went from peanut butter and jelly all the way to pancakes.
Yeah, you ever had pancakes with like coconut type pancakes with peanut butter jelly and maple syrup?
Nah, you put peanut butter and jelly on your pancakes, is what you're saying?
Yeah, you ever had that? That's what The Rock Johnson does.
Nah. Oh yeah, you sent me that thing that The Rock was doing. I've seen you do that. Yeah.
That's good. Very good. Yeah, guys. I think these fake outs were clean buys. It's just unfortunate that stocks are just massive now. Like, I don't think I would have entered anywhere here. Honestly, maybe wait for a 30-minute candle closer, which is the 1 hour candle close as well, and then execute buys. But this 1 hour candle might be a Doge candle because we came down, right? Broke 15-minute, broke 30s, but never broke the 1 hour lows. So we can still pop up. Copy that. You guys did a good job of taking over. I liked it. Clean traffic to the upside. Price failed to make significant lower low. So you're gonna buy here as it just like flipped without breaking highs or anything? It's not a bad entry, but it's not my entry. I think if I were to enter this trade here, it would either be 1, once it's kind of opened up or closed, 2, or once you break that high. But here it's kind of like an area where it's like, wow, what's it gonna do? You really don't know what's gonna do here. But it is bullish, yeah, to retest the highs. Don't get me wrong. Pretty clean setup. Go should push here, guys. 8 minutes left. This count should, well, 1 hour count should just push all the way through, if I'm not mistaken, towards the TP. Let's say ciao, Bella. Then where's considering 5 minutes? No, not today, because counts are in this ranges are like, it's not even that big. This is a 10 pip candle, 15 pip candle on a 5 minute candle, right? The reason why I used 5 minutes on Friday was because each candle was like 30 pips, 4 pips. So I had no choice. Why didn't you take voucher right now in GJ? Because GJ has tapped my daily resistance and my weekly target already. So I kind of want a closure today on the daytime from before I execute more buys. Also because data has no bond wick. Oh man.
5 minute celery play.
Oh yeah, say Chabella. Are you executing? Or did you execute?
No. 1 minute left in the 5 minute candle. There's 6 minutes left in this hourly to close. Let this 8 a.m. volume come in. Excuse me. Show where price wants to go.
Let's see. If we were to break that daily resistance today, I mean that's the day. That's the thing is like that target we had was a daily resistance as well with the weekly or weekly wick fill at least. I don't know. I believe the next buys we may have might be a little like very choppy because we need to break above this resistance later, and then you'll get a move pushing up to fill the range here. I mean, above there isn't bad, but it's not the cleanest. Like this was definitely a cleaner move on a 1 hour time frame. So the thing is, when we entered that trade there, we entered based off the 1 hour time frame, but we couldn't use the 1 hour stops as our stops, obviously, because they would have been massive. It would have been a 4 pip stop for a 30 pip target. So we used the 15th minute, 30 minute stops in that situation. Where's Sus FX, Marcos? I think he's coming back today from Florida. Those will go wearing their pants right now. Yeah, the goal was definitely bullish. Even when I got stopped out, it was still bullish. It's like there's no way I'm taking sells right there because we broke back into the range. That's a fake out. Trend is bullish. Let's see. If you look at the forward time frame, the forward was very clean this situation as well. That's why I was really anticipating buys earlier. Like I was really anticipating them. We had a high, we came down, create a low, closed bullish at support to retest the highs. Right at 1838. As you break the highs, we should continue up to fill the next range. So we do have more upside today, however. It's just now it gets a bit choppy at this resistance here. That's why I'm gonna get very skeptical. Weekly wick fill. What do you think, Andre?
In the same boat as you.
What are you thinking? What are your future plans here after gold taps 1843?
1843 you found as a resistance on what time frame?
1530 and 1 hour. Or no, daily 4 hour.
Okay.
Yeah, daily and 4 hour time frame. Same given TP.
I think, like you said, it's going to get a little messy once we hit that daily resistance, and might be one of those opportunities where we tap, we come down, and then once we make support, we look for entries on the way back up since we're still bullish. Yeah.
Yeah, that's a late move. That's what I don't want, but it'll be very late.
Still currently have 15 pips to the top of that wick fill.
From here?
Yeah.
Yeah, but I don't think we're gonna get an entry in.
I don't think
this thing is gone towards TP here. Ciao Bella, guys. Ciao Bella.
Early closes in 2 minutes.
Some of you guys might be wondering, well, why didn't we enter? We knew it was going up to 1843 here in this range. It's because where would we enter? Like, yes, TP is there, destination is there, but regarding like our stop loss and managing risk, how would that go? 30 minute, you can't enter off 30. You can't enter now. I mean, it's another like 15 pip range going up, but you can't re-enter now. We're gonna use the current count stops and impulse buy here. That's a full one entry right there. Can't re-enter there. You know. What may happen, however, is the same thing that happened on the forward side from guys. See how we create a high, create a low, retest the highs. Same situation can happen here on gold here. We can just come up, create a resistance here, and add resistance, come back down to create a support somewhere like this, and add support. If we were to respect it, continue back up to retest the highs. Once we close bullish there, I'll look for buys going up, but this might be a late move. Like, these are usually later moves because this is when the volume usually tends to die down. So that's when it starts to like range a little bit instead of giving you those impulse entries. And then we retest the highs to continue up. But this might be like a 9 a.m. move, like 9:30ish or something, if you were to get one.
I think everyone should just like take note of how Don didn't. We both drew out the exact same thing, literally to the T, and it's like what you're looking for. Perfect.
You drew it out too when I was gone?
Yeah,
Oh.
I drew out the same thing, literally the same exact thing.
Yeah, I didn't see that. Have you got a name for that move? Yo, that's a good idea because that's all we draw nowadays. We should have something for it. What do you guys think? I'm gonna give it the let's go to vegetables. Let's see, collard, cilantro, corn, cucumber. Fennel? You doesn't call it the fennel? Fennel sounds cool. No, the onion, green, let's call it green onion. Because onion grows from the ground up, right? So when gold goes to retest, when gold does that thing where it comes down, creates support, it grows from the ground up, it's like we're growing from the roots. So the onion makes a lot of sense.
Shit. Gold's gonna tap that target. There's not really an entry for us.
GJ closed bearish. GJ should come down here to create support. I think GJ is doing what gold is. GJ is doing what gold is expecting to do here. What we drew earlier. Come down, create support to retest the highs. So we should come down towards 153.375 here. There's no sells. Obviously, we're still bullish, but wait for that closure of support to continue up. Might take a bit of time, but
Later, Carlo.
I'm just dipping. I mean, Carlos dipping. All right, man. Take it easy. Have fun in that call. I'm a pro trader. Nice. Heard that one before. I think everyone is a professional trader now. What is a professional trader? Someone tell me. What is a professional trader? Are you trading prop firms? Hard works from home and trades. Yeah, he's is he still in Germany? He is, right?
Yeah.
Holy shit, it's been a while. Yeah, he works from home and he trades. No more Telegram streams? Telegram streams? We never did Telegram streams. What do you mean? Oh, wait. Sorry, I didn't send the link out today. You're right. It's because on Discord, you know what I have now? I have this on Discord. It has announcements, and so it does it for me. It's like, oh, live streaming now. Control if I just went live on YouTube. Just went live on YouTube, right? But I'm gonna copy that link and send it in Telegram. I forgot to post that. Good call, good call. But Telegram, ew, who uses Telegram anymore? Telegram for scammers.
They said, ew.
Telegram is nasty now, man. I think Apple is getting rid of Telegram too. So I got scared of that as well. So I'm like, might as well move. We evolving, guys. Can't get too comfortable. Like Andre says, don't be soft as baby poop, or go slap you in the face and spin your mama. You're probably got 2 McLarens. You're right. I have 10 years of experience. Okay. Let me guess. You own McLaren too. I couldn't find you on Discord. It's not public yet. It's not public yet. It's only right now for paid members of our course and our signal people. So once I get everyone in, we'll be fine. You guys will get the links spammed every day to join. So don't worry, it'll come. So now everyone knows what McLaren Trader is.
Yeah. I feel like chat's getting saucy with them. Like before, McLarens were like looked up to, and now they're kind of like, yeah, they're falling out of style.
Yeah.
They're not as cultured.
No, you know what's cultured though? Oh, Urus. I mean, it's because it's just a typical car for the day-to-day, you know, McLaren Trader. What happened? What did you say? Did you watch the no, I didn't see. No that I care, right? I'm just kind of focused on what I do here. This is the thing. From the future, from now into the future, whatever happens, whenever someone, you know, if someone were to talk down on us or talk shit about us or put us into some type of toxic community forex fight, I'm just gonna act like nothing happened. And you can call me whatever, this and that, Don's scared, this and that, but at the end of the day, I just not put my energy towards that. I don't want to give people free promo, even if they're bigger than me. I don't want to give them a free promo, you know. So that's what I'm probably doing for the future, because I know for a fact it's gonna happen. 100% it's gonna happen in this community. Someone's gonna say and wants to start something, but I'm just gonna leave it alone. I don't know, man. If you're trading, what's the point of starting these fights or whatever it is? You know, like what's the point of it? What are you gonna win? I mean, you get I guess clout, but I don't want to have that clout on me. I don't know. This makes sense. If you're trading, you're trading. It's only if, are you bored? Like, you know, are you that bored? Start a fight. And even if, you know, you're a top trader or you're like, you know, you're very profit consistent, people still tend to start these useless fights for no reason. Doesn't make any sense, man. I don't know. Maybe I'm just too mature for them.
They don't get enough attention at home. Oh, gold.
Oh, flipping bullish here. Can't really do anything about that.
Nothing you can do there.
I mean, what are you gonna do?
Could have gotten in on the 15 flip, but
on a breaker this high here.
No,
current count of stops.
Yeah, I was gonna say 15-minute flip, but that happened real fast.
Thing is, this is where people get impulse entries in. But it's not a trade for me, guys, so I'm not in a position here. Got into child's play. No, we don't. Right? So hey Don, so for GJ, when do you usually look for more positions? I mean, I can still look for positions on GJ. It's just that it's, let's see. I mean, we're getting to the area right now where it's just very choppy here. Very choppy here in this area. That's the data resistance right there that we have tapped. The only thing I can look for today is maybe this. Once you come down here to create that support, I'll look for the onion to go back up. I look for the onion to go back up to retest the highs. Shit. But like this, that's the only thing I'll probably look for. But that's gonna be in a while. That's the onion though.
We can call it the onion or stinky breath, one of the two.
I use these words, guys, to you know, mock the professional traders, the 10 years experience people. That's it. Yeah, I don't know. How do you feel about that, Andre? How do you feel about people starting beef in this Forex community for no given reason?
Yeah, I think you said it best, man. I think the moment you start focusing on other people's business, you're just taking energy away from improving yourself. Like all the energy you put into trolling other people, giving that energy, watching them fight, getting involved. Imagine if you took that same energy and put it into your trading, put it into looking for setups, looking for how to improve yourself. Fuck, you'll be a way better trader.
Because usually people who like to start things, like you said, are people that aren't willing to get better. They think that they're at a high and they never want to improve on their trading style. So they'll forever be stuck in that position where they have this ego of, okay, I'm the best trader ever. I can do whatever the fuck I want now. That starts some beef. I'm the best trader. But it's on people who think that they're at a top, at awesome high, and they can't get better when you can always get better. Yeah, I don't know. I'm also gonna get better. Even after April took like what, 2 losses, still gonna get better. This is one line from a song. From this song, the first line he says, guys, just listen. This is how I should be in life. Listen to the first line he says. You hear that? I can't see a damn thing if it ain't go up. You can't see anything if it ain't money.
Can't see a damn thing if it guap. I can't see a damn thing if it guap.
That's it. That's life right there, man.
Yeah,
that's all you need. That's all you need. So, no beef. Oh, can we play the weekend? I think we may even play the weekend. I want to play the weekend. Let's see. I'm pretty sure we're allowed to play them. But oh yeah, the weekend sounds fire. Yeah, the weekend. That's a good training music. Like chill vibes. We have NFP. That was Friday. Sorry, that was Friday. Turn me up, Don. I got you.
Turn me up.
This is you, Shifty. This is
Turn
you.
me up.
Chad, I was with Don over the weekend on Discord, and he was playing Warzone, and this man threw in the voice changer.
I was trolling people.
It's so funny. Oh my god, it was amazing.
Yeah, I'm just a real one for sitting there watching me play, just vibing out. How long were we on for? 2 hours?
Nah, something like that. My wife was working on Chalbella hoodies. Don and I were vibing. I was drinking some tequila. He was trolling people in the chat, mad hard. Some dude had like blue in his name. He's like, "You trade?" The kid's like, what? He's like, do you trade? This kid's like, no.
When you do that Warzone stream so I can come through for a bit. I don't know, maybe today. I may be bored today. Let's see.
Hey, if you are gonna do some Warzone, I'm down.
Oh yeah, hit me up. I mean, you're in the Discord chat, so we'll go to the Warzone room number 1, hop in the call, and boom, easy.
Bet.
Discord chat. Some of you guys are you guys really want positions. I can tell. Just I know it's hard right now because you just moved so much today, and you guys might be feeling like you might have missed a move and you want to catch a piece of it. Just be patient. It'll come. The move will come. If it's not now, it'll be at 9:30. But singles for gold here. We have more room to go up, but it's just there's no way I can enter at all. Can you play Savage Rabbit 21 Savage? I can't. I don't know if I can't play him. I never tested him before. I gotta test it for a stream before I actually play him. Get some sun. Yes, sun. There we go. We haven't used that yet today yet. Let me in there. Shifty, I asked you every day and you're always ducking me to play now. So what's going on, man? Marcos, what's up? What's up, Marcos? Are you home yet? Where are you? My hair's a mess. I don't know why. I took a shower before I started the stream today. Why is it sticking out here? Jesus. I should be lucky I have here, right? Like I'm not receding or anything, man. I'm so happy like I have here. The people are always beefing that fact for the ones that don't have hair. I mean, it's true. It's true. Or they've done some type of, you know, I don't know. Think about it. Or not even a lot of people in FX don't have hair. Does Sean Lee have hair? He has hair, right? I think he did hair transplant though or something. Who knows? I might not have hair in the future. FX view that comment? Nah. I might not have hair in the future. Who knows? I'm only 21. Wait, how old is Down Savage? 23? 24? 22? With no hair. I'm happy I have hair, man. "22, 24? Yeah, he's young. I like Down Savage though. The weekend's vibey, man. Gold. What are you gonna do? How many stuff you do today, Don? Let's see. Squats, a lot. That's what we do during the workout, pretty much. All squats. Wall squats.
More than just squats.
My legs been growing though. I got a lot of calf muscle now. I'm not gonna lie. Those kind of D's. Like it's, you know. Yeah. Wait, did Kuban shave his head? Like a buzz cut? Or like
someone just said he tatted a Lambo on the back of his head.
He tatted a Lambo on the back of his head.
Google.
I want to check real quick. You know, matter of fact, we're gonna search him up. Oh wow.
Oh my goodness.
Good googly moogly.
I mean,
What
shit.
is there an alien in this? Oh my god, that's so shocked. I don't care. I know that boy makes mad money. I'm not hating. I'm just saying, bruh.
He has like a bunch of space tattoos over his body. I mean, it's cool, but just imagine when you're like, you know, 80 or 70 and you have that tattoo there. It's like, ugh, I don't know if I want to have that. It's cool though. I mean, I'm covering a task and that man's tripping. I don't know, man. I just think like when you're like older, it's you might regret it. You got Q's body. No, he has like neck tats, man. He has a moon right here or something. Relax, Tyler. Yeah, I don't know. Tattoo artist did wrong. Hey, man. If I had money like that, you know, I'll buy and sell tats. I'll just get a diamond on my forehead, like Uzi. Of all things, that's probably what I'll do. A diamond right here. What do you think about this for GJ? I got you. Buys above if is resistance. Forever high to the left. Nice. So you want to close your above in this case, right? For price to continue up. Yeah. That was pretty clean. Yep. You up here? Want to come over here? When you're a kid and got the first design that comes to mind. Don't try and preach peace and love, but he just can't help. Don knows like Q got tatted on his upper thighs too. He said, what? Where's the elephant guy, by the way? Elephant guy, you here? In the chat? Oh man, look at gold drop mad hard, guys. Very choppy area. Wow. Oof. Every time he sends a chart, you up here? Yes, every time he sends, like, his name's Pierre. Sorry, that's all I think of. You up here? Want to come here?
Gold's breaking hearts right now.
Yes. You see, if I were to get stopped in position, I'd rather get stopped in that first position I took than this position here if I were to take one. This doesn't make any sense. I mean, they go up like 15 pips though on this opening, but it's not as hype. It is hype. Who here in the chat today took that first position with me right now, or with me earlier? Me? Yeah. It's fine, right? I think like, going back to it, would I have changed anything? Probably not. I think I would have maybe, if anything, closed half once the candle closed bearish instead of letting it break the lows. But other than that, I mean, it's a trade that I always take. You know, we can't really do anything about the situations. It's like, again, you have 80% win trades, and you have 20% that's not gonna play out. The 20% play out in this situation. So again, look for another setup, look for the exact same setup again if it were to come up. You have bloods in your hands? I do? Where? I got bloods in my hands. I got big hands though. You know what that means. Anyways, I closed early, no problem, but I think that the deal is good. Yeah, the deal is pretty good. Hey guys, keep in mind, although we came down on gold here, we broke the 15-minute lows. We didn't break the 1 hour lows yet, so it's still valid for buys here. But I believe wait till like 9:30 ish. That's when you'll get a move prep probably. Might be a bit chalk till then. Oh, you're so innocent, bro. What does that mean? Big gloves, yeah, big gloves. At that point, this one plays a huge role. We all had that daily TP, but 10 pips is perfect, man. Yeah. Yep. Yeah. I mean, even if we were to take it, I mean, we would have got 15 pips, close half at 10, and then Renner would have hit break even anyways. What's your shoe size though? It depends on the shoe. I'm a 10 or a 9. Depends on the shoe. Oh, GJ pushing up to retest the highs here. Let's see, can we get more buys on GJ? If we were to break above this resistance here, how will it look here? Let's take a look. Check and she on me. You know me. This song is nostalgic, guys. It brings back when I used to like grind for like shoes. I used to go to Keymaster. If you guys know what that is, it's like there's shoes inside a Keymaster machine, and you gotta like kind of win them by obviously it's like gambling in some type of way, but it's for shoes. And I made like a whole chart, whole data chart, keeping track of when the payouts would be. So I would anticipate the payout as, you know, I count the days off, whatever. And I made like a couple racks off that in high school. That was my grind. But yeah, this is the year, like 2015, 2016. Best years of my life, probably. I think if we were to get a closure above here on GJ, we should be able to pop up on his 30-minute time from here. That's not bad. How's 30-minute look though? I can't see, can I? No, I can't. Wow. No, there's no data. It's just
where you have marked.
Yeah.
There's like another little resistance, but I don't know, like 10 pips up above that, 5 pips up above that. My resistance is at 153.726 GJ.
Oh wow. Yeah, 726. That's the target I had as well.
Okay.
I was thinking maybe a 30-minute closure for an entry, but by looks of it, looks like we may just pop up Chabella. We prefer new forward candle? No, because it's gonna be the 8:30 candle, which is fine. 8:45. That's when I wait for the 4-hour candle. Let's see, guys. Yeah, Rob, it was a joke for for hi, I love you. MYD, okay. Anyways. Might get an entry here. I mean, it's close right here, a little lower. Stops are like 12 pips for a nice 13 pips here. Okay, hold on. Let me go into 4-hour time frame. I have a big brain move right now. Go into 4-hour time frame. You go left, look clean traffic, and this is what you do. Wow, this is far back. Okay, you go here. You go on now the replay mode. The replay mode, and now you drop down to a 30-minute time frame. Ah, look at that. That's clean traffic if we break up now. Do you guys know you can do that? You can go in replay mode and then check data like that. So, nice. Yeah, that's some big brain. If you were to break into the range now, I think that would be pretty clean for bias. I think above here, however, would be a valid closure for us. right above there, going up for the range. So now let's go back to our actual charts, and we need a closure now. Perfect. I mean, how big are stops though? Ah, massive. Might just stay out of GG then if that's the case. Unless I calculated the wrong TP, did I? No, TP's up there. Yep, that's the right TP. That resistance right here. Didn't know that? Yeah, you can do that. Yeah, the range is too small for the stop loss. That's the thing. Stops are minimum here. Unless you use the 5 minute, I mean, the 15 minute stops are 15 pips, and the TP is only like 11-12 pips. We play as gold to play with. Buddy and I play this game. We pick a ramp here, and on replay we choose an area without the other person seeing, and we have them mark it up and let them play it out. Oh, let's take backtesting. That's what backtesting is. Yeah. Yeah, I'm staying out of GG, guys. I do see pushing up here, but I just can't get in. Stops are way too big. Way too massive. However, if price were to come down, give us a lower wick, and we'll be like somewhere here and flip bullish, you use the current count stops. It's not bad. I want to see you come down to like 9 pips versus something. It's like 7, 8, 9 pips around here.
Is this song The Weeknd right now? What is it? What's this song?
Yeah, The Weeknd. Why? You like it?
I've never heard it before. It's alright.
You vibing with The Weeknd?
Yeah. Sometimes I vibe with The Weeknd. He's alright.
I love The Weeknd. He's like Michael Jackson. I'm sorry if anyone I offended, Ashley. I'm sorry.
He's like the new age cultured Michael Jackson.
Yes.
That doesn't touch little kids. Hopefully.
Oh fuck! You gotta go that route. Jeez.
I mean, yeah, it's the truth, bro.
I actually forgot about that. Damn. I was too young for that. Anyways. I first heard Michael Jackson when he died. Actually, he died in 2008, and I was like 8 years old. That's when I heard about Michael Jackson. I knew who he was. I came home and mom's like, "Yo, Michael Jackson just died." I'm like, "Who's Michael Jackson?" Remember that one time I streamed when I played Michael Jackson, that like ab lib, and it sounded weird. Only OGs know, I think. That's like a minute ago. You don't like 5 minute entries on GG? No, I don't use the 5 minute, guys, unless we have like huge ranges on the 5 minute time frame, like huge, massive ranges. Like one 5 minute count is like 40-30 pips. That's the only time I use the 5 minute time frame. That's just me though. Orange is a bit different when it comes to 5 minute time frame, but he uses like 15 a lot more and 30s a lot more. If gold closed there, oh man, gold closed there. Oh, bearish. Okay, this is the current 15. Broke the highs here. Ooh, it should be able to break up here for the range. It's a 5 minute though. GG, once it flips, it's not looking bad at all. Once it flips bullish here, I mean, yeah, that's 3 pips. It's too small of a stop, unfortunately. Yeah, this ain't bad though. It's just stops are a bit are way too small.
Those little cutie patootie stops.
Yeah, that's like a 4 pip stop. 5 minutes start playing gold. Yeah, it was 5 minutes start playing gold.
Careful of those. Nah, that 5 minutes while you're playing gold is something that I can see people getting like enamored by, like thinking that's like a good play. I would never take a 5 minute salary play like that unless we didn't have some type of confluence on the 15, 30 hourly. Like, is the 15 flipping bullish? Is the 30 minute breaking previous 30 minute highs? Stuff.
Yep.
Use the 5 minute the right way. Okay.
Song has Kendrick Lamar in it.
Okay.
This album was so good. You should listen to it, bro, honestly. God, I think GJ is too high for bias being on Monday, Asian, London, and New York. I mean, if it closes back in the range, then I'll say we'll come down to Chris support. But I mean, regardless if it's too high or too low, I think that shouldn't be really a. I mean, it's never too high or too low. Price can go on for as long as it wants to. It can stop wherever it wants to. Your job is to kind of just follow it until it breaks, right? Because once you put yourself in a situation where you think it's too high or it's too low, you're thinking with emotions instead of the charts. And people get caught in those situations a lot. So I believe it should continue up here towards 153.735. Oh wow, that's a nice flip there. Yeah, I'm staying out, guys. If you look left in the 4 hour time frame, that's the next resistance there. So if we end up closing above 153.735 on the next forward candle, which is going to be in 30 minutes at 9 a.m., then we may see a next target being, I mean, 154.234 here. I doubt it. I doubt it today. I think it's gonna be more of a tomorrow move because we need to make a bond wick for a daily candle.
Done.
Yes, sir.
How you feeling about this 15-minute closing bullish and like the next 8 minutes on gold, kind of like where it is now?
Yep. What about
Stops would be like 14, 15 pips. Overall target is like 1843 for like 25 pips.
Yep.
Move stops to break even around like the 10 pip marker at that resistance at 1841.77. Depending on how we close, 8 minutes is a ton of time.
That's how I see it, right there.
Yes, sir. Yes.
But I'm aware. I'm gonna caught the 4 hour candle, new 4 hour candle, the lower wick. That's what I'll be aware of.
It'll be the last 15 minutes.
Oh, the last 15.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, never mind. Yep.
Yeah, we're about to get a 15-minute salary play right now, though, potentially.
Stops are massive, right?
Way too big. Range isn't big enough to go up either, as well, in my opinion.
No, yeah. We need more Kendrick Lamar music, guys.
Yeah, this shit is smacking right now.
Loyalty.
Loyalty, loyalty, loyalty.
Hey, that J. Cole interlude.
I don't like J. Cole. I think he's cringe. Sorry if I offend anyone. I think he's cringe though.
Or, can you elaborate on that? What the fuck?
I don't know. I think he's cringe. I never liked his music. I never did. I don't know. Maybe I'm just a hater, but I don't like him. Him and Chance the Rapper, man, just cringe. Man.
Chance is kind of cringe though.
Chance is not bad, but hey, What was that?
Fuck was that?
So we pulling out the vocals now.
Okay.
You know what Chance is saying.
Guys, okay, I'm sorry.
That
Chat, I'm
screech.
sorry. Whatever. I love J. Cole. I'm sorry for feeling I offended. Oh man, I hate J. Cole, man. I feel chalked listening to his music. I don't know. I like Kanye, Drake, Jay-Z, but J. Cole is, I don't know.
I don't really fuck with J. Cole either, to be honest.
I like a couple songs from J. Cole, but like I wouldn't like, I don't know, not his whole like discography. Kendrick, I like Kendrick. I first started listening to him when in like 2013, when I was 13 years old. That when he dropped Good Kid, Mad City. Is that what it's called? Good Kid, Mad City? I forgot. It's been a while. Oh, yeah, Power. Yeah. That was the album. Ultralight Beam versus Peak. You don't like the new Kanye stuff? I mean, it's not the best, but I feel in that.
He's talking about Chance.
Oh, Chance. Which has know about this? This is Kanye.
What? Poopity scoop, scoopy poopy poop.
Yeah. Can I play music in this? I can play this. Yeah. Yes, guys. You know what we got ourselves here? Yandi playing.
Man, if I take us to church.
I don't think Yandi had church vibes in it yet. This is before that.
Now we may get that closure the next 4 minutes here on that 15-minute candle.
Yeah. Talking about GG or gold? Oh, gold here. Yeah. 3 minutes
Gold
left.
here, yeah.
Yeah.
This candle needs to retrace just a little bit more, just a little bit.
A little lower. How big are stops here? I mean, you're looking at around like a 17 pip stop for like a 20 pip target plus runners in this position too, because it's definitely a runner position. Potential 100 pip move if you were to break that from here. That's not bad. It's not bad.
And that daily resistance is also a like, in my opinion, strong 4-hour resistance.
Yep.
I don't know.
Doing up with the runners, right? Yeah.
Yeah, I'm a little weary of that.
The position is right here is not bad though. I mean, if this gets give us a 1-to-1, stops can't be anything bigger than 22 pips. Like this would be a good closure. A little lower actually would be perfect.
The only thing I don't like is that 30-minute actually respected the previous 30-minute highs, which could have just been a high for
Price to drop.
Yeah, price to drop because of this 4-hour candle creating a top wick. Looking at reading candles backwards.
And which will give us a wick fill in the next forward candle. I mean, if that happens, then what will happen is we'll drop like this, right? If we were to drop, we'll drop like this. But even if we were to drop like that, the forward candle would just be like this, closing above that range, which will give us more opportunities for buys later on, as we'll close somewhat like this. Wick fill for next forward count to continue up like this.
Wall sit gold buys. I'm gonna record it.
What time's your next client today?
My first actual client besides you is 2 p.m. But I gotta leave here at like 1:30ish.
Okay, so we have some time, right?
Yeah, we got some time.
Okay. I thought Juice King's really good. I think it was good. I liked it. Not my favorite albums though, but it was valid for what it was. I watched the movie too in theaters. Yes, guys, I'm cultured like that.
There was a movie.
What happened?
Said I forgot there was a movie.
Yeah, the AMAX theme. Pretty cool. It was like what, 4 minutes? Give me a no skip album. Dial It by Playboi Carti. You might not like his music though. Not a lot of people do, but that's probably my favorite album. GJ pushed up. Wow, nice. Let's count flip bullish. Flipped up 6 pips. This would be a break even trade probably if I were to enter. Participant price to drive up. So we took a trade earlier at like 7 a.m. It's been an hour and a half since, and I'm just waiting at this given point. Ooh, 15's pushing up here. Did you get in, Andre?
No, I didn't. That bottom wick on the 15 is not for me. A little too small.
I kind of want to see us drive down actually. This 15 to give us a 4-hour wick fill. It should be during our workout probably.
Yep. If this 15 came down and made like a, 6-7 pips bottom wick and then flipped, I definitely would have entered it on the flip. No questions. Anticipating we fill that 15-minute wick, which is like 16 pips, would have been nice. I'm gonna make some breakfast.
BPM up? Nah, 73. That's pretty normal. That's an average. Earlier on, I was like 50. You guys were like, yo, are you dead? I'm like, nah, bro. The weekend's just too vibey for streams. Oh, GG with a tap TP. Nice. Nice. Waiting patiently, guys. I'm gonna sit down again. I'm in a GG buy. Hammer resistance at 153.629. Going at 153.676. Really? Where'd you get in? 153.629. 629. Oh yeah, right there on the flip. Yeah, perfect. That's where I was intending to get in at. Your resistance is at 153.629. 629 is. Oh damn. Bless you, man.
Appreciate it.
Six, 7, 9. You got in. Oh, it's a little later. Yeah. Yeah, looks like we're gonna continue up here. Looks like we're gonna continue up towards the next daily resistance here, which is right here. But if the 4 kind of were close above here, then you're looking at, I mean, let's revisit that again. Actually, I want to take a look. Look left there. Next resistance is right here. Now this becomes irrelevant. You don't need that. You don't need this anymore. Oh. Guys, this is an example today of just following the trend and following the range. From this range to that range, this range to that range. It's just a repeat. You know, instead of predicting that it's gonna reverse through or predicting that it's gonna, you know, reject there because it's too high for a day. It's just follow it until it breaks. No, there shouldn't be any emotional thinking. Because we can move on another 200 pips today, and if you were to move that 200 pips, you'd be sick of yourself because you would have said, well, you moved already too high today. There's no more chances for buys. When if you were to follow the trend until it breaks, there clearly is more chance for buys or room for buys. And if GJ weren't to continue up, we're gonna be able to see that. We're gonna be able to see price closing back in the range, coming down, right? You see these things happen. So there's no need to guess it. I got in at 153.282. 153.282. I mean, you should close half at this point and let it run, go risk free. I mean, you're looking at 154. Yeah, I think 153.824 should be a target. If that were to break, however, then you're looking at 154. But that's like from there to there, it's like a decent. Oh, it's 20 pips only. Okay, it's not bad. That's 20 pip range. But again, I'll stay away for this forward candle close to determine how we're gonna react here. We have 9 minutes left. I think once gold closes here in 9 minutes, though, we may get buys going in. I just hope we retrace this a bit more. However, I think it's gonna push here towards this resistance here, which is fine. Because if the 4 hour candle were close above 1843, next target is 1851. So that's an 80 pip range going up. So worst case, we'll get buys later on. Might extend the stream for a bit though. 9:30ish, 10ish. Algor day. Love control in chat big time. Hearts in the chat. Hearts in the chat for Turbo. Can you look at this for me, please, Don? First time sender. I got you. First time sender. Let's make it a good one. Once price breaks that high, you're looking for buys. That's more of an impulse buy right there. I'll prefer wait for a closure above the range here since we have rejected multiple times and we haven't closed yet. And once you get that closure, we should be fine for price to drop up. I feel on that. Yes, chat. Mods, who is this? Mods. Mods Banhammer before Anja does it. Quick, quick, quick. Don't call me a cancer. Jesus. Sun. Get some sun and some fresh air. Maz doesn't see it. Oh, there it is. Sun, extra sun for Darth Shrewd. Andre, those buys would have played out, man. Doing clean.
Damn.
Look at GG push 2 above that range.
What?
Oof.
Oh,
you came back. You missed like 10 minutes and.
I missed the move.
That's alright.
Wanted.
That's alright.
That's alright. Yeah, plenty of time.
These
games are important.
Moves. Very. Cheers, Broham. I've set my TP for 153.8 mark. I have to get back to work. Legends. This company is joining me. We'll try again this week sometime. Have a great session, boys. Take it easy, Turbo. Take it easy. Hope you have a great day at work. Stay safe. Peace and love. I want to close above this range here. Oof. This is a very crucial 5 minutes here for both GJ and Gold here. If you guys haven't done so yet, go ahead and follow us on Instagram, controller_FX. Hopefully there'll be a winning highlight later on. Let's see. Wow, 2.7 followers, guys. 2.7k. Thanks for 2.7. On our way to 5k. You know what's crazy? I followed Q Banks when he was at like, I think 10k. And I heard about Down Savage when he was at around like 7 or 10k. Same thing. It's crazy how the growth and all of them. Pretty insane. Watch a G daily. Yeah, that's why I'm waiting for a closure above around a 4-hour time frame. Because the 4 hour hasn't closed above yet. Once you get that closure, it should push the day time frame towards the next resistance as well, which is looking like it's gonna be 154, 240. Because now you're just anticipating. Once you break 153.863, that's Chalbala. Wow. 4 minutes left. It's gonna be a long day, guys. It hasn't started yet. Juicy Banks, yeah, I heard Juicy Banks use that like 10k too. I mean, honestly, we have different trainer styles, but I mean, I still respect them. Oof, we can get a closure here, guys. You might get a closure. Oof. What you munching on? Oatmeal? Any fruits? You know, I realized oatmeal is way easier to eat when you have fruits in it. Way easier.
Way easier.
Goes down like water.
Way better.
But when it's just dry, oh my god, it takes forever to eat. I'll bite every like 10 minutes. Cold oatmeal. Just doing too much on the charts, how to follow. Yeah, it's a different trainer style. It's a way different trainer style. I know what white can is though. It's like similar to McLaren. It's like McLaren style trading, but again, you know, I respect it. Because who's his mentor, right? His mentor is Q Bank, so like obviously they would trade similar. Whatever it is for that McLaren, I mean Lambo. You see buys in gold? Yeah. If you were to break above 1843, I'm looking for buys in gold GG all morning. I have the same bias all morning for both pairs. That hasn't changed one bit. This is now, but okay, we need to break ranges in order to get to the next range. And GJ here, we have a minute left. Can we close above? To look left there, I'm waiting for a closure above this resistance here, guys. Oh. You see this resistance right here? I'm waiting for a closure above there. Once you close above there, we should continue up to fill this range here. But I don't think we're gonna get it. 40 seconds. I know. Wow, what a crazy day it's been. $30 seconds. I don't think we're gonna get a closure above.
I think it might be a minute before we get the buys on gold. 4 hour bottom wick has to be created, and then I'll buy at support at like 1838 to come up and retest the 1843.
This has to open up with no top wick, spike up, and then it goes to come down curl or a wick later. So usually happens. No, there's a bottom wick. Wow. Yeah, like Anja says, it'd probably be a late move. Like, cause now what you need is like support before you need the onion play to happen. And for the onion play to happen, it's gonna take like a couple of candles. You're looking at 9:45, 10ish potentially, right? I think we call that. We call some gold buys today though. I'll put gold buys plus I'll put 10 pips or 20 pips to that TP there earlier at their GJ buys as well above that range plus 10 pips. The gold buys you mentioned were the 15 minutes, this one right here, this 15-minute range going up, and then the GJ buys earlier were once candle flip bullish here after creating a low for this range, for which was about 10 pips. Those are the two buys we called out. Nice. Look at that 4 hour lower wick being created now. This is what we're waiting for. I'm not gonna lie though, it is pretty messy though on a 30-minute, 15-minute time frame. Son, I love how Brony put that right away. Do you take any trades? I took one buy earlier on gold, what got stopped on for 13 pips on stream. Guys, trades taken is different from trades called. Overslept today? You overslept today. Why, sir? Can you explain the trade tick on gold? Yes, I can. So the trade tick on gold earlier was pretty much on the 1 hour candle once it closed above the range here, right? So when this candle opened up, it looked something like this. When it opened up, the next candle came right down with a top wick being created. So we understood that this is a low being created on gold, and gold should continue to pop up. Okay, obviously, from where we entered right now, it looks clean. It looks like, okay, well, why didn't you make profit there? Because when this candle came down, created a wick, it created a low somewhere here, and then it flipped. So once it flipped, I got in using the current candle stops as my low, or the previous candle low on a 30-minute time frame, right? But What ended up happening in that situation was that price came down, closed bearish on the 15, came back to re-break the current candle low to continue back up later on. So that's why it looks like this right now. It looks like it was clean. But at a given time, it wasn't clean at all. But yeah, this is a trade, something like this. I think it was like around here. Stop loss of 30-minute lows, and TP is like right here. That was the original trade. But I think gold's pushing up here. That's the 4-hour low being created here. We should be able to continue up towards 1851 here. I think you need a 15-minute closure first though, above the range.
Just gonna say, don't get caught in these impulse buys right now. Wait for a closure.
Yes. Let's look on 30 to see how we react here. 30, 15. You have some resistance here actually, which you should be pretty aware of. 1844. Above there should be cleaner buys, if anything. Yeah, above there. Above 1854 will be my buys. What was it again? 1854.830. Okay. Yeah. I have to sleep at 9 p.m. or earlier to wake up at 3 a.m. Oh, you're in Cali, that's why. Yeah, if you're in Cali, the session might not be the best session for you because it just wouldn't work around your sleep schedule. Wait, you do have London though, and you do have Asian. It's not bad. Yep. You need a closure, guys. You need a closure. Because once you get a closure, that's when you'll probably get a better idea of where the low is for this new 15 or this new forward candle. Because right now the low could be anywhere, right? As long as it respects the previous candle lows, which is down here at 1834, it should still continue to push up at some given point. So
hey Don.
Yo.
What do you think about 15-minute seller plays on GJ? This current 15-minute candle closes bearish, respects that 153.72 support. There's that previous 15-minute wick that's there. Would that hold you out from that seller play or no?
GJ is kind of hard just because I wanted a closure on GJ, a 4-hour closure above 153. I'm a bit worried about that 4-hour closure. If I can find it, like this right here, right there. Right. I mean, you can anticipate buys going up towards here. That'll probably be a target for buys.
I think I missed that 4-hour support. I have my my next support at 15424, which is the one that you just marked up. I didn't see. Yeah. I just didn't see that that 4-hour support. I missed it. Makes more sense. Yeah.
I mean, you can anticipate it though, because the weekly is. I mean, the weekly is technically Chow Bella if you re-break those highs above 153. Like that's literally clean traffic on a weekly time frame after towards that range. There's nothing in between. Yeah, not bad. I'll wait for a closure above 153. 824 though. Giovanni, what's up? Thoughts on GA? GBPAUD. Let's take a look for you, my friend. This looks chalked. Daily is rangy. I mean, this is very rangy. Why is this so rangy? Okay, there's a lot of gaps, man. I think we're bullish. Daily is bullish. This is breaking those highs. Weekly is technically bullish as well. So, I mean, for positions to be taken here, it's very choppy. I think above here would be your cleanest, your best bet. Above 1.79674 for price to continue up towards the next resistance, and that would be probably up here in this range here. That range is about a 37-pip range. I'll avoid this mess here just because it's very messy and choppy in this area. I'll wait for buys above the other range. I mean, if you want to anticipate buys in this range, you can. Once the candle flips bullish, you can use the current candle stops as your stops for price to drive up for a nice 30-pip target. But the cleaner buys will be probably above this resistance. Like this. Probably what you'll want. I mean, these buys aren't bad actually. I take it back. These buys aren't bad because it's breaking back into a range. So it should fill the range. But yeah. Ooh, Daft Punk. That was the vibes. You know what that is, Andre? That's not your music, is it?
Play it, play it, play it.
You know Daft Punk? You know Daft Punk.
Hey. Okay.
I'm pretty sure you know their songs. They got like bangers. Hashtag too cultured for FX traders, guys. This string gonna take it down too. I'm sorry. I'm just testing out waters today. I already bought. I'm just adding. It is for you to buy as well. You have your own mind. Go buy at the break of 1843.
We literally just said that we were waiting for a closure, that we weren't gonna buy at the break. So I don't know. I feel like the band hammer is gonna make you get some sun here in a second. Just get ready. All right, buddy. It's your last warning.
You know the mods are the ones who take care of a tempo in the chat. I mean, I don't really do anything. They can't know what a tempo is, so that's why I have them as mods. I've deleted some mods though because they couldn't understand the tempo. So
song is just a vibe. I love this song.
how do I sound? I gotta hear it.
Fire, dude, fire.
Fire? Holy shit, that's some squeaky voice, man. That's a squeaky voice. Jeez. I'm up all night to get sun. You hear that? Even Pharrell Williams knows what time it is. Get some sun,
Yes,
chat. Oh, he gets some. Never mind. This sounds M2K vibes. Yeah, I remember. This is like 2K9 or 2K18, I think. I forgot. Yeah, I seen that John Bello. I seen that. The basketball player with one arm. Yeah, that was pretty cool. Pretty talented. Imagine he makes the league. That'd be pretty crazy. Never give up, guys. Anything's possible. How do you move stocks to break even so quick on MT4? MT5? Well, I know where my price is for entry, so I just type in the price as my stop loss, so it's quick. 153745, 153745 stops to break even. Simple. Or you can move your stops up by clicking on the line of your stop loss. You can manually adjust that with your finger, which is pretty cool. Use magic keys? No free promo. I know I don't. No, I don't. I used to though. You guys see what Down Savage said about it? I mean, hey, whatever he said about it, I don't know. I've used it. It's not as bad as Down Savage made it seemed. It's not as bad. It's not even bad, but it's, I don't know. I feel like I don't need it because I don't really trade on my computer like that. I answer positions on my phone. Sounds like heater. Oh, magic keys. Magic keys.
Turn me up.
Why is Down Savage at war for everyone right now? Bad vibes. Never mind.
One more time.
Yeah, no drama here. All vibes in here, guys. This song is classic, all-time classic. Dance emojis in the chat. We need to get our chat like Nick Merckx's chat at some point.
Turn me up.
Man.
EJ Don.
What happened?
I like it.
EJ? Ooh. Look at the new 4 kind of wick on GJ, by the way. Flipping bullish here. I think once you flip bullish and break the high into 15, you can actually anticipate some start play buys going up. Let's see. I'm gonna take a look at that 4-hour candle again. I want to see how it looks. Four-hour candle. Okay, so looking at this, last time closing the range, you close right here. Trying to see. I mean, every time we got broken back into this range, we were able to fill it. Continue up towards that resistance there. Should be pretty clean to get filled. Thing is, this is be more of anticipation buys because the 4 didn't really close above the range. So you're kind of anticipating that 4 is gonna flip, and the range is what? 30 pips going up, 40 pips going up. It's not bad. What do you think, Andre?
Not paying attention. My bad. What'd you say?
Look at GJ on a flip here. 15-minute start play with the 4 kind of flipping. I'm just worried about this range here. That's the only thing I'm worried about.
How much is that range? 4 pips?
5 pips, bro. 5
I wouldn't
pips.
take that. Yeah.
But like, it's anticipation that the 4 hours kind of gonna continue up. I think safer to wait for closures above this range here, above 153. I think. Plus, I took that first entry earlier too, so I might as well wait for a closure. What is this resistance here though? I'm gonna delete this. Have this as a range, much cleaner. It's a vibe, yes.
That resistance you have at 15382, that's the 4-hour one that I missed, right?
Yes.
That's what that is? Okay.
Yeah.
I still don't have it marked on my chart. I guess I'm being lazy. I should go and look it up, mark it up.
I'm gonna go back and take a look at the 4 once again, see how it looks on 30.
Yeah.
Let's take a look, Ashley.
It's like the 5th time we looked.
Yeah, because it's so far back, you can't really see. Okay, so let's go on 30 and see how it looks. There it is. I can't. No data not available. That's chalked.
I thought when you use the playback function, you can see it. Big brain
I
status.
could only see the 30, not the 15. And 30, I think I had a resistance there. Let me go back to it. Chat probably has a headache right now of me going back and forth. But this is what I do. This is what it is, guys. Yeah, see, 30 has like a resistance right here. That's a 12-hit range at least, minimum, towards this area. Once you break that, however, that's chabala. Yeah, it's not bad. I think I'm willing to take buys in this range here. Oh, I hear your phone call.
My bad.
No, it's just for your sake. Not sure why I want to hear that.
My wife, she's killing it. She's making the real money over here.
Time to the market makers, you know. Hey controller, what is a starter play? Sorry, English is not my first language. Starter play is right there. Marcos just linked it with the exclamation point starter play. It's a certain type of impulse entry that we take. Alright, so instead of taking all these impulse entries that are valid, you usually take only one of them. And this is an example of one right here. If price were to push up and break the high, that would be your entry. Your buy stops would be right here. Stops would be the current count low, and TP would be up here, wherever your next TP is. However, in this situation, I'm not taking that. I'm waiting for a closure. Okay, this sounds not fiber. This sounds more fire. People come for the trades, but they stay for the vibes. Yes. Because today we took a loss today, right? But we still end up vibing today out. This is our second loss in May so far. It's been alright, May. April's been a lot better, obviously. I mean, I think it's a mix. Like, good people in here are, you know, I wouldn't say not cultured, but a lot of extras aren't cultured, so they wouldn't like, they wouldn't understand the vibes here. But there's a lot of young traders here that I'm starting to realize, starting to notice, that are like around my age, and this is what they like. So why not just be myself and have those people mess with me? How many of you guys here like to stream? Versus how many of you guys here think it's too much? I think it's perfect. But there's a lot of old heads in here, a lot of old people that wouldn't understand. You know. I mean, there's also streams out there. I mean, my stream used to be like one of them too, where it'd be like a dead bird stream. It's just not it. It's just, I don't know. Trading should be like fun at the same time, professional and fun. I think we have a good mix of that. We can talk charts all day, but we can also vibe all day. Talk about whatever. Music, whatever it is. Old people? Not old people, but, you know, old people vibes. Like dead bird vibes. They just want to understand. They'll be like, oh, this is too much. It's too loud. It's too, you know, chat's too much for me.
Hey, Don.
Yes.
How do you feel about this 15-minute closure in 8 minutes? Closes something around where it's at now. We look for buys to retest 1843.
GJ or gold? Oh, gold. Okay.
Gold.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll be in those buys.
Yep, me too. I think it'll be a good idea since you're anticipating that the 4 candles flipping here, because it created a lower wick. So if it flips bullish here, it should continue up here. You can get some good entries in on 15. Yeah, what's your TP though? This right here or this right here?
My TP is going to be 1843.
No runners?
Just because of that daily resistance as well as that 4-hour resistance, probably not. To be honest.
You're probably closing full at 10 pips anyway, so.
Yeah, yep.
I'm just watching real quick. I'll be back.
I haven't heard this song in A minute. Someone explain to me what elbow cough means. I've been seeing it. I don't know what it is. I'm not as cultured. I'm kind of old. Chat, tell me what that means.
It's a dab.
Oh my gosh. Dusty old man. Okay. Yeah, I might be a dusty old man, but Marco still tries to flirt with me. He's still sus FX. Don't let him try and play you guys right now. Man's always blowing me kisses.
Sussy baka.
Oh God, Jesus, Marcos always, you know, like the bottom of the barrel is like the worst. Marcos always finds the bottom of the barrel with those type of comments. He digs deep to find something that's gonna make you feel uncomfortable, and then he just embraces it. I give him kudos. I also stay far away from him. You know what I mean? Don't let that boy get too close to you. Okay, so gold's pushing up to the point now where I don't know if these entries on the 15 are going to be good for me. Stops for 35 pips. They are no longer good for me.
I was going to ask if you were trying to jump in on the 5-minute.
Only 5-minute entry you had was that 5-minute celery play. Would have given you 14 pips. But then again, I probably wouldn't have been in on that. That 5-minute celery wasn't in confluence, like with really much else happening.
Yeah, I just heard a bit of that. I think I think you're right.
Oh, I thought you were talking about Marcos.
Oh, what did you say?
Stream, oh God, we'll run it back together later. It was cringy.
Marcos, hop on a Zoom call, man.
Hey, yo, the funky vibes today are like, okay.
This is a sample Kanye used for a song. Stronger. Oh, this is the same song earlier. Hey, these dudes split up though. These dudes have been making music together since like 1997, and they split up like this year. That's sad. Does anyone know why they wear masks though? Someone tell me why they wear helmets, like those special helmets in their like show off their personality. It's cool, but I don't know why. How to be in a Zoom review? You gotta purchase the course. You gotta be enrolled to the course. Only students are allowed to be on a Zoom call. Because I'd rather have everyone who has the same training style as me to be on a Zoom call rather than people using fibs here and there and not having the same similar strategy as us. It would just be, it'll throw everyone off, you know? Oh man, 15-minute starter play pushing up here. Once you break those highs here, stops are 50 pips. Massive, but we are approaching 1851 here. Wow. This is the 4-hour wick, guys. Flipping bullish here. Why we couldn't get those entries, Andre? Fuck. Couldn't get those entries, man.
Yeah.
It's okay. We might get more entries here. Just not this 15 candle. This thing is way too massive for me.
Way too big.
That's what she said. To get like to be anonymous? Oh, that's cool. Like Jabberwockies. I think they wear masks too to be anonymous so no one judges them by the way they look. It's not bad. I love music day. I love music day. Music day versus non-music day. It's just different vibes. I just wish it would be a dream of mine if I could have like an actual contract with like these people to play music. Maybe one day. If Nick Merch can do it with Drake, I can do it with someone.
Yes, sir.
I'll DM a bunch of rappers. A bunch of artists. Let's start.
Energy.
Okay, I've been streaming FX, and I feel like you put up a great vibe with us for the first stream. I just feel like if you know we're able to play your music, that would be pretty dope. If a stop loss is too big, why don't you just drop lot size? You could do that as well. It's you know, I mean, me saying I'm not answering because stops too big doesn't mean that you guys cannot answer as well. You guys can answer as well, dropping a lot size. Exactly what Leon said, right? I just prefer would want to stay out. There are some cases where I do drop my lot size like half to enter these positions, but in this case, I don't know. I'm not comfortable having a 50% stop loss right now. You know Trainwreck got 21 Savage? I didn't know he got 21 Savage, but I know Trainwreck. He gambles now on stream. That's all he does. Gambling stream, man. Damn.
Cole's gonna close no top wick. Green.
Oh, 50-50. 50-50, baby. But look at the forward candle now. That's Chow Bella, guys. That's Chow Bella here. We have nowhere to go. The forecast create a lower wick. It should continue up here. There's nowhere I can get in. And it definitely won't be this 15-minute candle. Definitely not. For one, stops is big, no top wick.
Yeah. I think I'm going to
you can't call it a day yet. You can't call it a day yet. Because we're gonna get a 15-minute start play. If this 15 doesn't continue up here. Because we have no top wick, right? So chances it's gonna start play is pretty high. Doge 15, bearish 15 here. And then next 15 goes up, breaks the high. That's your start play bias going up. Stops are smaller. You know what I mean?
Know what you mean.
This would be it. Because we have no top wick. So hopefully we can close like this. And then next buy stops would be perfect for a price to continue up. Now that's the trade I want to take. Be a buy stop right here. As you break the high, stops are current count lows for around an average of, I mean, if you close like this, 30 pips for a TP of 60 pips, I'll take that any given day. But wait for this 15.
This 15 is crucial right here.
Very
crucial.
It doesn't mean it's bearish, guys. What we're trying to say here, it's crucial to see if we're gonna continue up or come back in a range here, a day for tomorrow to push up. It's all depending on this 15.
Dang, this song is a vibe.
I never heard the song.
Neither have I. I like it though. Okay.
It's too slow for me.
Well, okay.
I'm going back to the weekend. Sorry, guys. I want like 5 songs from these guys.
Don, how do you feel about these current candle lows right here? Stop loss.
Oh, 50% flip.
20.
Yeah. See, now this is not
pips.
bad. If you're into this price drive up here.
Yeah. Where would you get in? The break or the high? Or
yes.
would you get in right
the
now?
breaker right here, right now.
Never.
Yes. Let's see. Oh, price retrace. I'm gonna enter a position here, guys. I'm gonna enter a position here. Stops are current count lows. This is the position I'm in. 24 pip stop loss, and TP is gonna be up here for 60 pips. See, this is a different trade scenario now because now we create a low wick and now we're starting to flip bullish again. So I already just went up. Because we closed above the range and we can't use the previous count of lows as our stops. So what we did here was we waited for the current count to create a low and we used that stop loss instead for price to drive up here. Did you get in under or no? Stand out.
I mean, no. Yeah, I got in. I got stops at the current candle low. If it didn't happen right now, though, I'm gonna be pretty aggressive with my stops to break even. If we push up again, we're like 5 pips in profit. I'm gonna close, or excuse me, I'm gonna move stops to break even.
Because this is the original trade idea, guys. The original trade idea was the fact that we closed above under 30, but stops are too big, so we couldn't use this as our stops, obviously. So we waited for a low to be formed there on this candle, and then once it flipped bullish again, that was our entry for the bias going up. So it wasn't really an impulse entry, it was more of an entry on a closure, but we used the current count stops instead. So that's why it looks like this. Andre, you're gonna say that I was gonna reject and you're gonna close?
Yeah, no, not that I'm gonna close, but like I said to everyone else, I'm gonna be real aggressive with stops to break even.
Yes,
here.
me too.
Like I already got it typed in, 5-6 pips, stops to break even. Like no questions asked.
Yeah, spreads are like what, two pips right now. I think once you get to like around here, I mean, I'll close half at 10 pips and move my stops to break it around like this once we break the highs again. So that's my plan for this trade, guys. It might happen quick too, so make sure your fingers don't like really break even. Second buy attempts for a day.
Oh no.
Let's see. What time is it? 35. If the 15 closes bearish, I will close the positions because I'm expecting this count just to reflip and continue up here. So let's see what happens. We got trading we're trading gold. This is our second buy attempt for a day. We took a buy attempt earlier on down here. We got stopped earlier, and this is our second buy attempt for price to continue up here on this 15-minute candle.
Got stopped out.
You also have the NYSE open here. I didn't get stopped out yet. And getting close, because if you break the current count lows again, we may just drop down to fill the range, and I just got stopped at that position. Second attempt for gold buys. So second attempt for gold buys today. Got stopped on both positions today. Damn. Negative 28 pips on that, or 22 pips there on that position.
You pop your normal
yeah, I went normal today. Yep. I haven't taken 2 losses on the stream in a while. Holy shit. Yeah, I think we got like what? I didn't get my, I got like 9 pips there, but it wasn't really 9. It was more like 7-6 pips because of spread. Spreads was like 2 pips there, so I couldn't really manage risk. Move stops to break even there. But yeah, price came down to re-break the lows. I'm gonna call that a day probably now. I waited like an extra 2 hours for the second trade attempt. Got stopped on that position.
Your stream today, guys.
Yeah, so let's see. I mean, I think I lost 2% today. Around that range, 2%, I'll say. Not really sure yet. Around that range though. Trade made sense though, yeah. With the closure above, with the 4 count flipping, re-breaking the highs, I think it made sense. I think both trades today make perfect sense. It's just one of those times where it didn't play out. But yeah, I think for more buyers now, you're probably gonna have to, I want to say, close above this range here. I'll move my resistance up towards that resistance and have a closure above there for buyers to continue up. But yeah, 2 losses in the stream, guys. Yeah. Not to get an L and BPM went down. Yeah, my heart rate only goes up when I trade when I enter it, but once a minute, it goes back to normal. Will it still push up? Probably not until we close above. I wouldn't be in any buys right now. It just wouldn't make sense anymore. But yeah, I'm gonna call it a day, guys. 2 losses today, pretty tough. The most losses we've had. Sorry, we had more losses today than we had all April on stream. All right. Yeah, gonna call it a day, guys. Hope you guys had a great day. Bounce back tomorrow. Do the same thing tomorrow. Look for same setup, same entries. Nothing changes. And follow your plan every day. But yeah, peace and love, guys. Hope you guys had a great day. Leave a like on the stream if you guys enjoyed it. Follow up on the Instagram page, control_FX, and I'll post those 2 losses on the stream on the Instagram later, probably. But yeah, peace and love, chat. Peace and love.
Later, boys. Later.
Later.
See you guys.
You look so happy when I'm not with you.